Hey everyone. Hey everyone, welcome back to this Thursday weekly update. Today is Thursday, May the 2nd, finally in May. As per usual, this is a little series that'll sort of show you behind the scenes and type of things you can expect to see from us here at Faboolous Fabric Studio. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Also be sure, do not miss our May bargains. It gives you 20% off everything in that category that is under May bargains. The code for that is May20. Just enter that in with any of the selected items and you will get 20% off those. So be sure to check that out. I'll put a link to that in the description. And that does it for this week. Thank you all for watching so much. As per usual, everything you saw in this video will be linked in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and hit the subscribe button with the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload. And we will see you next week.